1. Decorate your home with Christmas decorations. Choose red or green, or other Christmas colors, decorations to add a traditional touch to your festivities. Incorporate wreaths and Christmas lights into your decorations. For example, you can frame mantels and bookshelves with long green wreaths or a string of Christmas lights. Other Christmas decorations include Christmas-themed scented candles, mistletoe, Christmas stockings. 2. Play holiday music. Set a festive mood by playing Christmas-themed music. There are many kinds of Christmas-themed music, from traditional classical music to heavy metal covers. When choosing a Christmas playlist, consider what mood you'll create with your song choices. For example, to create an energetic atmosphere, play upbeat folk music. To create a calm and cozy atmosphere, play soothing classical music. 3. Arrange your furniture to facilitate conversation. Move your couches and chairs into a circular arrangement to encourage conversation. Push the seats close together to create a sense of intimacy. The closer the chairs, the more comfortable it will be to talk with the group. Add throw blankets, pillows, and a plate of cookies to make the space more inviting. 4. Use warm lighting. The term warm lighting refers to any lights that are yellow in tone. Warm lighting can be used to create a cozy, festive atmosphere. Instead of using harsh overhead lighting, set out some candles or plug in a string of Christmas lights. Some other ways to creatively incorporate warm lighting into your decorations include placing tea candles in mason jars, arranging an illuminated nativity scene, lining windowsills and coffee tables with Christmas lights.